Hi friends, I wanted to go over this sprint with you quick because it's kind of a tricky one. So we're going to look at this. It says express fractions as whole numbers. Now fractions are pretty much like division, okay? You know division, you know fractions. All right, let me show you how. So this 2 is the numerator, right? So we're going to take that 2 and we are going to make it the dividend. See if I can write with this. Now the division symbol, which is the slanted line or the fraction line, could turn into our division symbol. Boop, boop. Now the denominator is going to come over here and be our divisor. So this 2 over 1 is actually 2 divided by 1. Now it doesn't matter how we write our fraction. We could write it 2 over 1 like that, or you could do it with a slanted line. It's still 2 divided by 1. So you have 2 pieces of candy, and there's only one person. So if there are 2 pieces of candy divided by one person, each person gets how many pieces? Well, there's only one person, so they get 2, right? So you could skip count by 1, which is just counting by ones, until you get to 2, which is 1, 2. So the answer is 2. So we'll do the same thing here. 2 over 2 is the same as 2 over 2, which is the same as 2 divided by 2. The numerator turned into the dividend, and the denominator turned to the divisor. So 2 divided by 2. You have 2 pieces of candy. Now you have 2 friends. So how many does each friend get? Well, you could skip count by 2 until you get to 2. How many jumps was that? 2. It was only 1 hop. So that's 1. All right, are we getting this? So 4, the next one is 4, because we have the numerator, divided by the denominator, which is 2. If you had 4 pieces of candy and 2 people, we could skip count by 2 until you get to 4. How many hops is that? 2, 4. It's 2 hops. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. You could also use your multiplication chart. You could write your skip counting out. Use whatever strategies you have to. Let's scroll down a little. Let's do this one. Number 10. 15 over 5. That's the same as 15 on the top and 5 on the bottom. Ooh, it's hard to write like this. So it's 15 is now our dividend. It's the number we're dividing. Divided by 5, our denominator. That's now our divisor. That's what we're dividing by. All right, so we have 15 pieces of candy, and there are 5 people. Okay, so we're going to skip count by 5 until we get to 15. And however many hops that is how many it is, the answer, the quotient. So 5, 10, 15. That took me 3 hops. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. So friends, I expect you to do only one column today. All right, it's a little tricky, but I believe in you. You can do it. If you get stuck, you can, as I said, use your resources, or your parents could text me, or you could ask me at a Google Meet, or you can use your chart. You could skip count. Email me. Okay, bye.